Hello everyone, I am Rahul Gariya, student of Department of Commerce, Maharaja Krishna Kumar Singh Ji Bhavnagar University, Bhavnagar. I have prepared my first research paper about statistics subject and uh, I am going to present presentation about this my research paper. I am student of commerce, but I have prepared my research paper about statistics subject because there is a significant role of statistics in commerce. Statistics is one of most important subject in commerce. Statistics is subject is teaching in commerce faculty. The subject statistics is being taught as business statistics in commerce. There is a huge applications of statistics knowledge in commerce. In business and industry, statistician plays an important role in quality control and in product development and improvement. Statistician also may manage assets and liabilities, determining the risk and return of certain investments. When you learn business economics in commerce, the demand forecasting, cost analysis, supply function, you have to primary knowledge of statistics like graphs, charts, tabulations and classifications of data, time series analysis, regression model, etc. In marketing management subject, knowledge of statistics also used. Manager can take decision that which strategy is best for him. The concepts and methods of game theory and decision theory in statistics helps to take that type of decisions to manager. Especially in research methodology, statistics plays very most important roles. Statistical methods and analysis are often used to communicate research findings and to support hypotheses and give credibility to research methodology and conclusions. For example, statistics can used as in data collection, analysis, interpretation, explanation and presentation. I have presented my research paper to provide the primary and basic knowledge of statistics by using technological tools, means statistical softwares. My paper title is Role of Technology to Learn Statistics. My this paper presents overview of role of technological tools to learn and teach statistics, to understand and reason about important statistical ideas. The main goal is to provide some background of how the technological tools are used in learning statistics to students and researchers. I summarize some of common technology tools, means softwares currently in use to learn statistics in commerce. I also cover some recommendations to use technology in learning statistics. Okay, so let's now understand the meaning of statistics. What is statistics? What do you mean by that? Okay, when it comes to statistics, it is a method of collecting the data or data. So whenever we talking about statistics, I am referring to some data and method of collecting the data. So why do we use it? Because we want to understand how economy is performing. We can understand economic problem, find out the solution for that. For some people, statistics means it's only an information, and for some people it's about the data, analysis of data, interpretation of data, giving a solid information related to any kind of information. And some people says that statistics is useful in research point of view, and some people says that statistics we can see most of time in diagrams, data analysis, bar diagrams, all the statistical data in newspapers, tvs, presentations. Different kinds of opinions are there. Anyway, statistics is a very good and useful subject for society point of view, business point of view. Statistics tools are useful very well. Statistics is using by whom? Most of time government organizations are using its Even private organizations are using it according to their requirements, and also some of people are using it. Statistics tools are useful. So all these people, they are using it for what purpose? The first is forecasting, exploring and controlling. These are the main objectives of using statistics. Statistical software is used to learn statistics in commerce. Now we will discuss some statistical softwares one by one. The first software is SPSS. SPSS refers statistical program means group of program means package. Statistical package for social science. SPSS. The first is SPSS, that is the one of most important statistical software that using to learn statistics. SPSS refers statistical program for social science and was firstly launched in 1968. Since SPSS was acquired by IBM in 2009, it's officially known as IBM SPSS Statistics, but most users still just refer to it as SPSS. SPSS is a software for editing and analyzing all sorts of data. This data may come from basically any source: scientific research, customer database, Google Analytics, or even server log files of a website. The SPSS software platform offers advanced statistical analysis, a vast library of machine learning algorithms, text analysis, integration with big data. It is easy of use. Flexibility and scalability make SPSS accessible to users of all skill levels. SPSS is widely used program for statistical analysis in social science. It is also used by market researchers, health researchers, survey companies, governments, education researchers, marketing organizations, and others. SPSS is commercially available copyrighted software and is not available for free. As a student or staff member, you may have access to SPSS via your university at no cost of you. The second statistical software is SAS, Statistical Analysis Software. This software developed by SS Institute for Data Management, Advanced Analytics, Multivariate Analysis, Business Intelligence, Criminal Investigation, and Productive Analytics. Since then, many new statistical procedures and components were introduced in this software. It was created in year 1960. SAS is widely used because it is a highly customizable analysis option and output option. SAS is widely used in many fields including business and medicine. There is a four type of SAS. The first is SAS for Windows, second is SAS for Enterprise Guide, SAS Enterprise Minor, SAS State Software. The third software is R programming. R is programming language and free software environment for statistical computation and graphics supported by R Foundation for Statistical Computing. The R language is widely used among statisticians and data miners for developing statistical software and data analysis. R and its library implements various statistical and graphical techniques including linear and nonlinear modeling, classical statistical test, time series analysis, classification and clustering, and others. R is easily extensible through functions and extensions, and R community is noted for its active contributions in terms of packages. R is not only interested by academic, but many large companies also use R programming language including Google, Facebook, and so on. Data analysis with R is done in series of steps: programming, transforming, discovering, modeling, and communicate the results. R has stronger objective-oriented program facilities than SPSS, whereas SPSS graphic graphical user interface is written using Java language. It is mainly used for inter interactively and statistical analysis. On the other hand, decision tree in SPSS are better than R because R does not offer many tree algorithms. There are also some other statistical tools that used to learn statistics such as S plus, Minitape, Datadesk, Fathom, Teamplot, spreadsheets, etc. Now, when I am going to conclude my presentation, I would like to provide some recommendations for using technology to learn statistics in commerce. I also mentioned these recommendations in my research paper detailed. I uh, recommended the first is learners become focused on the numeric calculation. Learners may use separate calculator. The second is make sure you use the right technology, proper technology. The third is collaborative learning. It is very important. You can take help of your colleague or expert in its field. Fourth is as we know, technology does not replace the teacher. Learners have to believe that statistical software is tool only, not your problem solving machine. So users have to take decision by using results obtained from software and take responsibility for it. Fifth recommendation is maintaining the focus on statistical concepts rather than on the technology. It is also very important that when we use the technology in statistics, we have to keep in our mind statistical concepts, focused on statistical concepts, not to technology. This choice can depends on learning curve, portability and flexibility of the tool. Okay, uh, here I am conclude my presentation, and at the end tell me let me tell you that technology has been and will continue to be major factor in improving learning of statistics. Despite the endless capabilities that technology offers, we should be careful about using sophisticated software packages. Choice of the particular technology tool should be made based on ease of use. Okay, friends, thank you very much, and here I am conclude my topic.